Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something incredibly practical and essential for every home, a must-have home remedies kit. Imagine a scenario where you're faced with a sudden health emergency at home, from a minor cut to a sudden fever. Being prepared with a well-stocked home remedies kit can make all the difference. Let's explore the 12 essential items that should be a part of every household's first aid arsenal. First up is apple cider vinegar. This versatile remedy is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It can help with digestive issues, soothe skin conditions like sunburn and insect bites, and relieve a sore throat when gargled with water. Next, we have raw honey, a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. It can soothe a sore throat and suppress a cough, promote wound healing, and serve as a natural moisturizer and acne treatment. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can alleviate nausea, improve digestive health, and relieve symptoms of colds and flu when made into a tea. If you're finding my content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more holistic health tips. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from holistic living and a natural lifestyle. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can reduce arthritis symptoms, manage bloating and gas, and treat skin conditions like acne with a turmeric paste. Epsom salt, known for its soothing properties, can relieve muscle pain and tension with a warm bath, help detoxify the body, and even assist in removing splinters by soaking the affected area in Epsom salt water. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory and soothing agent great for burns, dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. Aloe vera juice can also help with digestion and reduce constipation. Lavender essential oil has calming and soothing properties. Diffusing it can reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, and treat minor burns, cuts, and insect bites. Tea tree oil, with potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, can reduce acne, prevent infection in minor cuts and scrapes, and treat fungal infections like athlete's foot and nail fungus. Peppermint oil is known for its digestive and respiratory benefits. It can relieve tension headaches when applied to the temples, aid in managing IBS and indigestion with capsules, and clear sinuses when inhaled. Chamomile, a soothing herb with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can promote relaxation and improve sleep with tea, aid digestion, and soothe irritated skin. Activated charcoal, known for its detoxifying properties, can help with bloating and gas, treat certain types of poisoning in emergencies, and whiten teeth to improve oral health. Lastly, coconut oil is a versatile remedy with antibacterial and moisturizing properties. It's ideal for skincare, hair care as a conditioner, and improving oral hygiene through oil pulling. Now, imagine a serene scenario where you're fully equipped with these remedies, ready to tackle any minor health issue with confidence. That's the power of a well-stocked home remedies kit. These items are readily available at your local drugstore, health food store, or online, making it easy to build your kit. Having these items readily available not only prepares you for emergencies, but also aligns with a holistic, natural lifestyle, providing effective solutions for common ailments. Creating a home remedies kit is simple and can make a significant difference in how we handle health emergencies. From minor injuries to common ailments, being prepared with the right tools and remedies can alleviate the situation swiftly. Start building your home remedies kit today and enjoy the benefits of a holistic lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you have any favorite home remedies that you swear by, Feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay safe and take care.